Honda Civic ownership cost in the USA. Real monthly expenses, 2026. Thinking about buying a car in the US? The Honda Civic might look affordable, but the real cost may surprise you. The Honda Civic is one of the most popular compact cars in the United States. It's known for reliability, sporty design, and good fuel economy. But what does it actually cost to own one? Purchase price. In 2026, a new Honda Civic costs around $24,000 to $28,000. Used models range from $14,000 to $20,000 depending on condition and mileage. Insurance cost. High RPM part. Car insurance in the US is required. For a Honda Civic, average cost is $130 to $200 per month. Young drivers may pay even more due to higher risk. Fuel cost. Civic gives around 32 to 42 miles per gallon, which is excellent. Monthly fuel cost. Around $100 to $140. Maintenance and repairs. Honda Civic is known for reliability. Around $350 to $600 per year. Still affordable compared to many other cars. Total monthly cost. Asterisk insurance, $160. Asterisk fuel, $120. Asterisk maintenance, $50. Asterisk MISC, tax, registration $50. Air total, around $380 to $480 per month. Pros and cons. Air pros, air fuel efficient, air reliable, or good resale value. A sporty look. Air cons. Air insurance slightly higher than Corolla, and not a luxury car. Air base model features limited. So, is the Honda Civic worth it in 2026? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more real car cost breakdowns.